Hey friends, if you are facing this issue Valorant block screen on launch, Valorant not responding on launch, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can fix this. So let's go quick into the process. Now first is we are going to make a restart of our Windows by right clicking at the start button, shut down or sign out and then make a restart of your Windows. So a simple restart can usually fix a lot of issues because once you restarted your Windows, this will refresh all the system processes of your Windows. Now in some cases that it worked, then good, but if not, then move to the next methods. Now locate your Valorant desktop icon, right click and then select show more options. Now you have to click on properties. Then here in the Valorant properties, you have to look for the general shortcut compatibility and the genital signatures tab. Click on the third tab, which is the compatibility tab. Now you have here disable full screen optimizations. Check that. Also run this program as an administrator. Now click on apply and then OK. The next method, right-click again on the Valorant desktop icon, select Show More Options. Now click on Properties again. Then here you have to click on the Compatibility tab, the third tab, and then check this box, Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4. Now you have to choose the latest Windows, which is Windows 8, or if you have Windows 10, then good. Just simply choose the latest Windows and then click on Apply and then OK. The next method is we're also going to make sure that our Windows is up to date. So click on the Start button and then go to Settings. On the left pane in the list of options, you have to click on Windows Update. Then here, just simply click this button, check for updates. Once done, close this window. Then we can also perform the System File Checker scan to repair the Windows and to check for any integrity violation and to repair the system file. So type here CMD, best match command prompt, and the right pane click on Run as Administrator. Then here just type the command sfc space forward slash scan now. It's sfc space forward slash scan now and hit on enter. Now this process will take some time, so we just need to wait for the verification process to be completed. Now once done, you just need to type exit, hit enter, and then just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. The next method is we are also going to make sure that our graphics card driver is up to date. So right click at the start button and then select device manager. Now the device manager window will appear. Now we have to locate the display adapters. This is where you can find your graphics card driver. Now make a right click and then select update driver and then search automatically for drivers. The best drivers for your device are already installed. Then good, simply close this. And also locate the sound, video, and game controllers. Then look at your audio driver or the Realtek audio. Right click and then select update driver and then search. Right click, update driver, and then search automatically for drivers. The best drivers for your device are already installed and good. Close this windows. Then for the last method is we are going to make sure that the VGC service is running. So in the Windows search bar, type here services. Best match, click on that. Now here in the services window, you have to press one service and then press V on your keyboard. Then you'll find VGC. Right click, select properties. Startup type, make sure this is automatic. And if this is not yet running, click on start. And then apply and then OK. And then simply close this windows and just restart your computer. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and then please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.